despite no police permission, Mamata Banerjee has gone ahead with the sit-in on her dharna, the protest that now seems to be taking a dramatic turn. And this is high drama in the Esplanade area. It has now been said there. You can see the former Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee amidst a lot of drama that seems to be playing out right in the middle of the streets. Let's listen into what she's saying. Well, unable to hear clearly, we'll just connect with our reporters there so they can help us understand what the former Chief Minister is saying. But there you can see, as far as the protest that she seems to be leading, this is now coming at a time when it comes to the issues that the party itself has been facing internally. Then there is the signature forgery row as well. And of course, when it comes to the attack that happened on a nephew, the TMC MP Abhishek Banerjee. And of course, what Mamata Banerjee has been hinting, that it is the BJP, at the behest of the BJP, the TMC MLAs are also being threatened. So the no-show on part of the TMC MLAs remains to be seen if how many of them did make it for today's dharna. Despite no police permission that has been granted, Mamata Banerjee went ahead anyway with it. This is in the Esplanade area as far as these protest pictures seems to be coming from. So holding that speaker, Ridhita, what is the former Chief Minister now saying? Ridhita, what is Mamata Banerjee saying?
Visuals that I show you is of Chief Minister, the former Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, who has reached up to the Y channel area, and the protest of the workers has been going on here against the BJP atrocity. However, we get to understand that the use of force was done because the former Chief Minister was not getting space to move inside the area for her safety reasons. The workers of the area was moved up here, which evaluated tensions in the very area. However, we see that all over the protest side, workers have surrounded the former Chief Minister. This is for the first time after her win in 2011, Trinamool Congress, after the 15 years regime. Now we see for the first time the former Chief Minister, the chairperson of the party, Srimati Mamata Banerjee, being the defensive leader, the opposition leader, and at this moment she is addressing the workers. She is standing up inside the bus stand of the Y channel because we understand there was no police permission given for Trinamool Congress's rally that is being held today. In fact, yesterday the Mamata Banerjee had also made a statement that only Trinamool Congress is stopped to hold any kind of rallies. You see the kind of excitement among the workers that they are holding towards the former Chief Minister, and her character also shows the kind of resonance, the kind of guardianship that she is showing towards the workers. She is reflecting that she is not dead to work. The post-poll violence, the violence that has been launched on the TMC workers, that will be taken, the care will be taken, and hisab of everything will be taken, due to which Abhishek Banerjee had also reached out to meet the post-poll violence victims to assure them of their safety and security. And today also the former Chief Minister and the chairperson of the Trinamool Congress, Mamata Banerjee, comes up in protest of this, of the post-poll violence, assuring the Trinamool workers of their safety, security, and says that iska hisab bhi liya jayega. Currently we can see that the former
playing out where Ridhita is reporting live from, and that is Mamata Banerjee, the former Chief Minister there, and amidst the drama that is now being unfolded. Rajesh, if you can also tell us, did Didi's team actually make it to the dharna? How many of them are we looking at as far as the representation of the TMC leaders are concerned, apart from Mamata Banerjee, who all has made it for today's protest? Rajesh, can you hear me? Yes. So trying to connect with the reporters there, Rajesh, who all are there apart from Mamata Banerjee as far as the representation of the TMC in this dharna is concerned? All right, Ridhita, if you can take that question, because it seems that, both of you are reporting from that very Dharna side. So, Mamata Banerjee, we can see who all have made it for today's protest.
Well, absolutely. What I was showing you and telling you was the former Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee assuring her workers of the safety protocols and saying that no TMC workers will be affected in this BJP rule. Yesterday also live she had made this promise to the workers, making a statement that no harm will be done. However, we see that this entire incident had not got any permission from the police, but as the former Chief Minister promises people that she will be here speaking to her workers, assuring them their safeties and meeting them for one and all. She had come here in spite of no protection and safety from the police. We see that she is standing here holding the rally inside a bus stand in the area of White Channel, the protest area. Remember how significant for Trinamool Congress this entire area of Dharmutala been. It has from the inception of Trinamool Congress since the time Mamata Banerjee had started the left wing. Her journey had begun from here. Remember when she was dragged by her head during the CPIM era or 2011's win over the 34 years of left regime, and again as a opposition leader after 15 years of ruling Bengal, she has come back to that very spot holding her rally, and she is doing that from here in the White Channel area, and she is holding this rally that we can see where thousands of
Just now expected to happen. There you can see Mamata Banerjee and her loyalists. They have been holding this protest. In the meantime, let's talk about when it comes to this rift or this rebellion that now seems to be also taking place within the party post the election results. Because now, speaking to Times Now, the former TMC insider Riju Datta has now made a startling claim, stating that nearly 50 out of the 80 MLAs are now planning to break apart the party and form what he is now, calling it to be the Asli or the real TMC. What information you have about this midnight mutiny that took place yesterday evening, because you have friends in the TMC, what are you hearing from there? What is the plan of action?
I see, yesterday the Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal, on the sign forgery case, Trinamool Congress started a narrative that it was political vendetta.
Correct.
So the Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal has clearly said it is not political vendetta. Two Trinamool legislators complained to the Speaker of the Vidhan Sabha that their signs were forged. And after the Honorable Chief Minister said this, both of these legislators, Ritobroto Bandyopadhyay and Sandipon Shah, was expelled from the party for anti-party activity. Now, post that, what has happened, we have found out that some...
Well, let's stay with those pictures there. Rajesh, can you hear me? And if you can tell us if any police action is now being taken up.
Yes, right now we are at the White Channel in Esplanade area, and Trinamool Supremo and former Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has joined the sit-in protest over here. You can see the visual. Large number of people and supporters, TMC supporters, are joining Mamata Banerjee. They are chanting slogans. They are raising slogans. Against BJP as well as Election Commission of India. Some of the people, a section of the TMC supporters are also raising slogans against media persons. They are stopping media. They were not allowing us to enter over here, and the Kolkata police was also obstructing the supporters of Trinamool Congress before joining this protest. And we can see Mamata Banerjee is now continuing the sit-in protest. Kolkata police has given permission to hold the sit-in protest for 2 hours only. Because Mamata Banerjee had written a letter to Kolkata police headquarters seeking the permission to hold the sit-in protest at Rani Rashmani Road in Kolkata. But Kolkata police clearly denied the permission to hold the sit-in protest over there. Rather, instead of Rani Rashmani Road, Kolkata police recommended another place, which is White Channel, where we are standing right now. This place was recommended by Kolkata police authority to hold the sit-in protest, but 2 hours were given to TMC to hold the sit-in protest. As per the recommendation of Kolkata police, now TMC leadership is present over here. Mamata Banerjee, टीएमसी एमएलए कुणाल घोष, टीएमसी एमएलए मदन मित्र, and Rajya Sabha MP Dola Sen, Lok Sabha MP Kalyan Banerjee, and Lok Sabha MP Pratima Mandal are accompanying TMC Supremo Mamata Banerjee during this protest, and you can see a large number of people are chanting slogans right now. I would like to show you the visual first. I would like to request my video journalist Arnob to show the visual of our TMC supporters who are raising slogans against Bharatiya Janata Party, and they have joined the protest led by Mamata Banerjee over here. I would like to show you the visual first.
Action, because that's all as far as the representation of the TMC. Weren't there more leaders expected to join Mamata Banerjee today for the dharna? Rajesh, what did Mamata Banerjee say while she was holding the speaker? What she was saying to her karyakartas, if you can tell us? All right. Well, that seems to be how the dharna, the protest now seems to be unfolding. Pretty dramatic pictures there, and despite no police permission that has been granted to Mamata Banerjee to hold this sit-in, that's the protest, this dharna there. Meanwhile, other reactions that are also coming in, let's play them out.
बीजेपी की जो सरकार आई है उसे बंगाल में हर वो चीज खराब लग रही है जो 15 सालों ने वहां की जनता के लिए ममता सरकार ने, टीएमसी सरकार ने किया है। ये एक सिर्फ और सिर्फ विरोध की राजनीति है, कहीं कोई स्कैम नहीं है। स्कैम तो ये कर रहे हैं, जब इनका केंद्र की सरकार जाएगी तब पता चलेगा, और यूपी की सरकार जाएगी तब पता चलेगा कि कितने बड़े बड़े स्कैम और कितने बड़े बड़े घोटाले हुए। टीवी पे देखते होंगे कि हमारे गांव में पानी नहीं आया, टंकी भी नहीं लगी, लेकिन बजट
पार्टी का अंदर से कौन क्या कर रहे हैं।
6 মাস আগেও আমি 30 বছরের রিনিউ করে দিলাম অ্যাপোলো হসপিটালে, আর বেলভিউ হসপিটাল রোজ আমার পায়ে ধরতেন একটা অ্যাপয়েন্টমেন্টের জন্য। আপনাদের সাথে গন্ডগোল ছিল বিড়লার লোধাদের, রোজ আমার কাছে আসতেন আমাদের সাহায্য করুন। আমাদের মেয়র আপনাদের বিল্ডিং করা থেকে শুরু করে সব ব্যাপারে করে দিয়েছে, হেল্প করেছে। আমাকে ডেরেক ওব্রায়েন বলছে ওর বউ ডাক্তার নিজে।
So action on part of the police which is now expected despite no permission being granted. Mamata Banerjee continues to hold this dharna in West Bengal. We'll be back with more details on the other side of a short break.